You can make this delicious mango milk cake in just 6 to 7 minutes. In a bowl, take 1/4 cup melted ghee, 1/3 cup powdered sugar. We will add less sugar in it because later when we add mango milk on the cake, it will taste very sweet. Mix it well, then add 1 cup wheat flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder. As I said in my earlier video of microwave cake that we don't need baking soda for microwave cakes. 1 leavening agent is sufficient. Gradually add 2/3 cup lukewarm milk in it, then add vanilla extract. Some of you asked me that why don't you add baking soda? See, I too used to add baking soda earlier, but later I made many microwave cakes without baking soda and still they turned out really good. Then I came to know that we can make microwave cakes even without baking soda. 1 leavening agent is sufficient, so we add baking powder. But if you still have doubt, so you can add 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. It won't make any difference. Now take a microwave safe bowl, grease and place parchment paper at the bottom. Pour the batter in it. Microwave it for 2.5 minutes. See, every microwave is different. My cake made in just 2.5 minutes. Keep an eye on your cake. Your cake may take more or less time to bake, but if you overbake it, the cake will settle down and shrink. Technically, microwave cake is cooking, not baking actually. For proper baking, you have to use convection mode in microwave. Our cake is ready. Check with toothpick. Now we will make mango milk. Take a small sized mango and make puree. Add 1/4 cup condensed milk. Then add 3/4 cup milk in it and mix them properly. Our mango milk is ready. Make sure your cake is completely cooled. Make some holes in the cake with the help of the fork, or you can use toothpick as well. Pour the prepared mango milk on it. Decorate it with the whipped cream. And garnish it with mango puree and pistachio. Refrigerate it for half an hour. This cake is super easy and tasty. Anybody can make it. Try it and you will not regret.